Battalion 1 Fire Control.
Battalion 1, this is Fire Control, go ahead.
I'm on the scene. I've got a garage fully involved. I need the first engine to come down 29th Street between Longview. We're going to stretch a line down the alley.
Engine 3 is going to approach about 29th Street, stretching down the alley.
Battalion 1 on the scene, fully involved garage fire. Requesting the first engine to go down 29th Street between Longview. Stretch a line down the alley.
All units, I'm going to be out investigating. Command all units, update on this. This is going to be a one-story structure. Engine 3, go ahead and come down Longview. We'll stretch down the driveway.
Already committed up 29th. We'll be looping around.
Yeah, just make a right when you come down 29th. Just turn on the Longview here.
Called it in.
Who lives there?
I have no idea. I was driving. How you doing?
Good.
I was driving.
Rescue 1 on the scene.
Rescue 1 on the scene.
Command all units, I've got an all clear on the building. Occupant report to everybody's out. Fire Control, I need a power company. I've got a power line down on the rear of the building.
You're clear, command, starting power company.
Command all units will be defensive operations.
Engine 3 to command. Medic 3 stretching with Engine 3 driver. Engine 3 crews moving up with Rescue 1.
That's clear. Grab your high-rise bundle. Rescue 1 pulling yard lab. I want you guys to get a second line going for exposure protection.
Mike 2's going to be approaching the scene. Mike 2 Battalion 1, you got an assignment.
Mike 2, if you grab the cones off of Rescue 1, I want cones on each side of the power line that we have hanging down in the alley.
You're clear. Towers on the scene.
Hey, Chief, I think the lift line will reach back here. The 200 footer, 2.5.
There you go. I think these two lines right here that handle this.
Mary 3 Command, we've got the hydrant here. Give another assignment.
This is your manpower round back there, rescue one.
Rescue 1 Command, be advised, we're almost out of water.
Chief, Rescue 51 on the scene. Commander Rescue 51, just hold at your truck. I think we're going to put you dead in service. Copy.
Engine 52 be on the scene, stage.
Engine 52, stage on the scene.
Ladder 2 Command, we're on 29th behind rescue 51.
Ladder 2, can you help with that 5-inch line?
Clear.
Charge hydrant.
This runs on 45 EMS. Battalion 401, Medic 403, 210 Cedar Street, Lot 113. On an unknown emergency.
Command I-20.
Law enforcement has been started. Scene is not secure. Battalion 401, Medic 403, 210 Cedar Street, Lot 113.
Okay, we got water.
On an unknown emergency. Law enforcement en route. Scene is not secure.
Commander Fire Patrol, would you contact I-20?
Air Clear Command, contacting I-20.
estimating, disregard, he's going to see. Ladder 2, would you bring some caution tape to the back?
Affirmative, caution tape to the back.